Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, and I have something to show you. Brace yourself. Damn! Yeah, so I gotta fix that. So I usually use alcohol, but I don't use that no more because I definitely took my edges out last time. So this time I'm gonna use the Via Natural Ultra Care Olive Oil that contains natural oils for moisturizing your hair and scalp, and also you can use this on your body. You can find this oil at your local Dollar General, and it was only $1. So as you can see, I'm putting this oil all over my frontal, and I'm making sure that it is well saturated so that it can sink in and that it can separate the glue. So this process can get kind of messy, so just make sure that you have a towel right beside you. So after I put the oil on, I just did some things around the house, and then after that I went back to my vanity, and then I got a rat tail comb, and then I just tried to gently lift the frontal just to see where I'm at in the process. And if I feel like I need any more oil, as you can see, I'm adding some more oil, and then I'm gonna let it sit a little while longer. My mom's co-worker actually gave me this idea, so thank you, Miss Teresa. Yes, girl, yes. This frontal is coming right off, but let's not get too excited because we just got one side and now we got the other side, so let's keep going. Okay, so this side was acting a little crazy and a little stubborn, so I had to just take my finger and I just got some oil and I just started massaging and trying to separate the glue gently. Just make sure throughout this process that you're very gentle. Now look at that. It is all the way off, and I am so excited. Like, this was a tedious process, but I'll do anything to keep my edges, and I hope you'll do the same. So just ditch that stubborn alcohol that'll make you lose your edges and get with this oil that you can get from your Dollar Tree for just $1. Look, all my edges are still in Texas. Thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.